Industrial backwardness. What is the meaning of industrial backwardness? Industrial backwardness means when in irrespective of when we have lot of industry supporting factors in the India, but still when we are not able to get the expected returns from the industrial sector, this is known as the industrial backwardness. Now, what are the causes for the industrial backwardness? If we will go for that, British rule policy, lack of mineral resources, lack of capital, lack of credit facilities, then of course lack of foreign exchange, then we have lack of technical expertise, then lack of transport facility, then lack of industrial research, then energy crisis, and of course increases in tax. Let us discuss all these things in detail. Attitude of labor, limited market, effective planning is also one of the reasons for this. So now let us discuss everything in a detail. First one is British rule policy. During the British time, Britishers have focused on that particular area of the India which is beneficial to them. Like they have the Chennai, they have the Mumbai, they have the Kolkata. That time the business is basically done through the waterway. So they have developed that areas only, or that in the part areas industries where they are getting any kind of the benefit. Next one is we have the lack of mineral resources. Now as the India is well rich in the natural resources, but the extracting the natural resources or exploring the natural resources is very limited. So that's why even though in the India we have a huge mineral resources, but because the extraction or exploration is not done properly, so many areas are running lack of mineral resources, because to run the industry compulsory we need mineral resources. Next one we have, that is lack of capital. Of course when you're talking about business, you're talking about industry, without capital you can't even imagine about that. Of course lack of capital is one of the challenging thing which Indian industry is facing. Next one is lack of credit facilities. In the rural area, we are constructing the industry, but to construct the industries in the rural area, we are looking for money. In the rural area, we don't have any financial institution or resources by which a person can start the industry and provide the employment opportunity to others. Next one we have the lack of foreign exchange. Now if a person wants to start the business in any another country and which will able to provide job to the number of persons or to the foreign capital to the many to country, but still but in the India we are not having that enough of foreign exchange, so a person can start or take any initiative to start a business in the other country. Next one we have lack of technical expertise. In the India we don't have that technical expertise, so we have to hire all the technical experts from the other country, and for that Indian government has to pay a huge amount, or the Indian entrepreneurs have to pay the huge amount even afterwards. They can't say yes successfully they have done the job.